Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best canning pot is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for home canning enthusiasts, offering durability, even heating, and ease of cleaning, making the process of preserving your harvest more efficient and enjoyable. In this video, we will explore the key features to look for when selecting a high-quality stainless steel canning pot, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. Harvest 20 QT Canning Pot. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The flat bottom ensures even heating for perfect results every time. This versatile pot allows for both steam and water bath canning methods. Simply flip the included rack to switch between methods. The built-in temperature gauge eliminates guesswork. Just watch the needle to know when your canning process is at the right temperature. It has a large capacity, holding up to 20 quarts of liquid. That's enough space for 7-quart jars or 8-pint jars. It's built to last with high-quality stainless steel. Plus, it comes with a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? It works on all stovetops, including induction. The double-sided rack allows for both steam and water bath canning. The built-in temperature gauge eliminates guesswork, making canning easier. If you need a versatile canner for any stove and canning method, this is the one for you. What people say. It has a temperature indicator knob to take the guesswork out of letting you know when the water is up to the right temperature and when to start timing after you have added your jars. I like the glass lid that allows you to see what's going on inside the pot at all times. This canner has a smooth bottom which works better on my glass top stove than the one with ridges on the bottom. I love the clear lid and the temperature sensor in the lid knob. It is safe to use with my glass cooktop, and is induction capable. The canner is nicely made of sturdy stainless steel, and I appreciate the silicone-encased handle so I don't have to worry about burning my hands. Another big plus is that the pot bottom is almost exactly the diameter of my largest burner, with no overhang. Number 4. Daniks Standard Stock Pot. It's made of durable 18-0 stainless steel, so it won't rust or react with your food. Plus, it's safe for all stovetops and the dishwasher. See exactly how much liquid you have with the easy-to-read markings inside. The laser etching ensures they'll never fade. Watch your food cook through the clear, tempered glass lid. A built-in vent lets steam escape safely. The thick 5mm base heats up fast and distributes heat evenly. This helps prevent burning and sticking, saving you time and energy. Perfect for 2 to 3 people, it's great for soups, pasta, stews, sauces, you name it. It's a kitchen essential. What we like? It's made of high-quality stainless steel, is dishwasher safe, and has a built-in measuring scale. The tempered glass lid is heat-resistant and allows for easy monitoring. If you're looking for a durable and convenient stockpot for everyday cooking, consider this one. What people say. Nice heavy base and perfect small stockpot. Nice thick bottom for even heat distribution. I've already used it to make sauce and the sauce did not burn using this solid stainless steel pan. Perfect size, good quality stainless steel and easy to clean. Number 3. Concord 20-quart Canning Set. This complete set has everything you need to start canning your favorite foods at home. It's perfect for preserving the taste of summer all year round. It features a triply bottom for even heat distribution, ensuring perfectly cooked preserves every time. This durable pot is built to last. It's not just for canning. Use it for boiling, soup making, or even steaming. Simply flip the rack. The included rack is made of extra thick 3mm stainless steel wires, securely holding your jars in place. It holds up to 8-pint jars or 7-quart jars. This set includes everything you need: a 20-quart pot, canning rack, tongs, jar lifter, wrench, funnel, lid lifter, and a mixer measurer. Get started today. This versatile pot is compatible with induction cooktops, offering convenient and efficient cooking. Enjoy the ease and precision of induction cooking. The 20-quart pot measures 13.25 inches in width and 10 inches in height. It's the perfect size for all your canning needs. What we like? This canner comes with all the necessary accessories for canning. It features a heavy-duty construction and a triply bottom for even heat distribution. If you're a beginner and want a complete canning kit, this is a great option. What people say. We had an aluminum canning pot. The stainless steel is much sturdier. I love the size of this pot, very sturdy but not ridiculously heavy. I was more excited that with my first attempt at canning all my lids sealed properly. I love this WB pan. I believe it will hold up forever for me to WB and also cook canning recipes in when I'm PC recipes. Number 2. Canning Kit, Stainless Steel. This complete canning kit has everything you need to get started. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned canners alike. It features a high-quality, food-grade stainless steel canning pot and rack. It's durable and built to last. The kit includes all the essential tools: a funnel, jar lifter, bubble remover, magnetic lid lifter, jar wrench, tongs, and more. Everything is included for convenient canning. It even comes with a large canning scoop and 6 measuring cups for precise measurements. You'll be able to can more efficiently. This kit simplifies the canning process, making it easier and more enjoyable. Spend less time worrying about tools and more time enjoying the process. It's assembled in the USA and comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. We're confident you'll love it. What we like. It's lightweight and comes with a complete set of canning tools. It's made from chemical-free materials. If you want a lightweight and complete kit for easy canning, this is a good choice. What people say. Comes with everything you need. The pot itself and utensils are great quality. Everything was well packed and seems to be high quality. I'm happy with the size of the pot and that everything fits well in it. There was no assembly needed. Packed well, so it's not damaged in shipping. Comes with all of the canning accessories needed, except the jars. Number 1. Denali 23-quart canner. This canner and cooker is the perfect solution for home canning, whether you're a beginner or an expert. It's the safest way to can food, according to USDA studies. It traps steam while heating, building pressure to reach water's boiling point faster. This reduces cooking time, retains flavor, and enhances food's robustness. It features a heavy-gauge aluminum build with stainless steel parts. It's built to last and is sturdy and safe for your canning needs. It comes with a pressure gauge, a 10-pound regulator, and a canning rack. Everything you need to start canning safely and easily. From our family to yours, happy canning. Enjoy months of delicious home-canned meals with this canner. What we like. It's a pressure canner with a large capacity and is made from premium materials. It's perfect for pressure canning various foods. If you need a pressure canner for safe and efficient canning, this is a great option. What people say. The tank is wonderful. There is no waiting for the steam vent for 10 minutes. The coming to the proper pressure happens quicker. It is very quiet while it is cooking canning. No noisy jiggling and easy to maintain the proper pressure. Replacing a very old pressure cooker, this is a dream come true. Wonderful steel plate so that it works on both my glass top stoves or my induction burner. Everything was exactly as described. This is a very heavy pot. It holds a lot of jars. Very easy to use. Holds pressure. Made of stainless steel and cleans up well. Looks like I'll never have to buy another one again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.